Okay, what we've got here is the second phase of milling on the CNC machine. This is a Herco machine running at 3,600 RPM, running on 3-phase at 455 volts. And this has been programmed to manufacture prototype gear cases. And we think it cuts very well. This is where you input the numbers into the machine, and this is the path of the tool. As you can see, it's moving very gently with the table. It's obviously important to keep any swarf off the cutting edge to get the best possible finish. It's obviously also important to keep a constant supply of coolant to the cutting tool.